Good morning everyone. My name is Satyam Nath and I would like to say that today is the video recording class in our Genius campus. So let's start. So the first candidate I would like to say that which is me. So again I would like to say good morning everyone. I am Satyam Nath in 10th standard now and I would like to say some words about resource and development. Firstly, we know that what is the resource. Everything that is needed in our life which is culturally acceptable, economically feasible and technologically accessible is known as resource. Now we come to the classification of resource. The classification of resource is first on its origin. On its origin, the resource is classified into the two types. Firstly, origin resource and first biotic resource and second abiotic resource. The resource which is formed from the living things is known as biotic resource, and the resource which is formed from the non-living things is known as abiotic resource. Now the second we come to the classification of resource on accessibility. On the basis of accessibility, the resource is classified into two types: renewable resource and non-renewable resource. The resource which is renewed after use is known as renewable resource, and the resource that is not renewed after used is known as non-renewable resource. Now we come on the basis of ownership. There are four resources: first individual resource, community resource, national resource and international resource. The resource is firstly we come to the individual resource. The resource which is private owned by any individual is known as individual resource. Community resource, the resource which is for a community is known as community resource. And national resource, the resource which is for the country or nation is known as national resource. International resource is that the resource which is at the international level is known as international resource. Then now we come to the development of resource. The development of resource means resource get developed. Resource get developed by the many process, by the better use of resource and Mahatma Gandhi says one line: resource is enough for everyone needs but not for anyone greeds. Now we come to the sustainable development. On sustainable development, the resource which is used by without harming of our environment is known as sustainable development. Now we come to the resource planning and resource planning in India. Resource planning means we plan how to we use the resource and how to we find the resource. The same condition is being happen in India. How we find the resource or planning the resource how to use. Now we come to the land resource. 43% of our land is plains, 30% is mountain and 27% is plateau. Now we come to the soil. Soil means the uppermost layer of the land is known as soil. Classification of soil. There are the 4 or 5 types of classification of soil. First, alluvial soil, lateral soil, red and yellow soil, forest soil. Now we know that what is the soil erosion and how to prevent the soil erosion. The soil erosion means that the cutting of soil is known as soil erosion, or the wasting of soil is known as soil erosion. The idea to prevent the soil erosion is that we remove the watering place where the water is collected, and we don't cut the soil. We planted the more trees that catch up all the soil at a hard way. Now we come to the conservation of soil. The conservation of soil is like to be the idea to prevent the soil. The conservation of soil means that we conserve the soil or protect the soil from any soil erosion is known as conservation of soil. Thanks. That's all. I don't know how I speak. So now the next candidate I would like to call Abhiraj Kumar.
Hello guys. Myself, Abhiraj Sharma. Today is video recording class. I am from Kankarwag in Yogipur, in a habitat of BR Group, English with Genius. Today is video recording class. Today my topic is power sharing. We know that the power sharing is one of the most important thing that's helpful for our maintain the society, country. We know that the power sharing is good. It can't do that the conflict of social people that lives in a society. it is mainly caused by when upper caste or upper post people that do misbehave the lower caste, then it's not a power strength. So this time our people have conflicted with our society. We should give the distribution in a power. We should give the power in our society with equal rights. And we know that our constitution gives the equal rights in our country. We see that now the backward castes have a equal rights in our country. Now we understand power strength with two examples. The example belongs to Sri Lanka and Belgium. Now firstly we see that the condition of the Sri Lanka when the power strength has not distribution in an equal group. In Sri Lanka there was three types of people live, three regions of the people live. First Sinhala peoples, second Tamil speaker peoples, third Indian Tamil speakers. The populations of Sri Lanka, there are 71% of people are Sinhala speaker, 18% are Tamil speaker, in which the 30% are Sri Lanka Tamil speaker and other are the Indian Tamil speaker. In a past time, the Sri Lanka announced that the constitution has overruled by Sinhala speaker because there was the population. It was in a majority. It makes hard rules and it follows. We see that the condition of Sri Lanka is very bad because the Sinhala speaker rules in Sri Lanka. There was three types of religion, but the Sinhala are not given rights to speak their rules. Then the people conflict with each other. The Tamil speaker makes their groups in which who protest the Sinhala speaker. Then this protesting the economical and social condition of Sri Lanka has gone in a very down because it not gives equal rights in Sri Lanka. As you see that the story of Belgium. Belgium is a small country that is present in Europe. In Belgium, three religions of the people live. Dutch speakers, French speakers, and German speaker people that live. In a Sinhala country, there was 80% of the people, 59% of the people are Dutch speakers, and 47% are the French speakers, and 1% are the German speakers. As you see that the capital of Belgium, there are 80% is a French speaker and 20% are Dutch speaker. In this country, the people are too educated, so he does not do anything that people conflict with each other. It makes rules in a capital of Belgium, is Brussels. He makes a constitution in which the peoples of other religions are equal. In a parliament, in which we take with our capital Belgium, Brussels. There was equal people in a parliament, and their head is the majority of religions. But we see that the condition in Belgium, the Dutch speakers are majority, so he makes in a parliament rules the head of the parliament is Dutch speaker. In this condition we see that the people take the equal rights in many ways. So we make the rules we taking a people that are equal. So we should always live in a society. Don't do conflict with our lower caste. Don't give. Thanks.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Namita Kumari. I belong to Genius Campus, and today is video recording class, and my topic is government job. Government job is very important for all of you, and at this time government job is very important in this society. Government job and private job are not different in this time, and government job on time salary and on time promotion and increment, and in this society government job are doing mainly lower middle class and middle class. And then to take government job on higher post, you take government various type of facility like house facility, canteen facility, and etc. And salary will be increase and decrease. Almost people doing government jobs in this society. So thank you.
So the Namrita Kumar is also speaking well. So the next candidate I would like to call Shivam Kumar.
First of all, a very good morning to all of you. My name is Shivam and I belong to VR Group Genius Campus. And today is our recording class, and my topic is yoga. I think yoga is something which is very necessary for our life. And as for now, I think it's not very important to tell us more about yoga. I think every person of every age group know everything about yoga. Yoga is very important for our life, as we know that today, nowadays, there is many most of the people, I think yoga is something which can be practiced by the person of all age group. Today yoga is very important for our life because yoga gives us a natural affinity to fight from various type of disease. And if you talk about nowadays, there is many outcome of dangerous type of disease such as COVID and TB and much more. So I think yoga is something which give us a strong affinity to fight from this type of disease without any type of medication. And if you talk about medication, it is something that harms our body. But yoga is the only thing which can very beneficial for our body. And the biggest good thing is about yoga is that there is not any type of bad effect of yoga in our body. This is the biggest thing that I want to talk about. Yoga consists of many type of exercises. One of the best exercise is pranayam. Pranayam is basically practiced by any age group. In this exercise, we can take air from one side of nose, and we have to wait for 10 to 12 seconds, and after that we have to release the air from our nose. It's a very important and very good type of yoga. In this yoga, it's very beneficial for our beneficial and the patient, which are so I was talking about much in nowadays life, much of the people are infected by the depression and many other type of disease which are produced by our brain. So I think that pranayam is very important in this type of disease. And I think depression is not basically a disease; it's a stage. And if we talk about depression, it consists of many stages. The first stage is hypertension stage 1. In this stage, the blood pressure varies from 100 to 140. And if we talk about hypertension stage 2, in this stage the blood pressure carries from 100 to 160. And if we talk about hypertension stage 3, it is very it's very disastrous, and it can probably injurious to health. So I think the yoga is the only thing which can cure depression. So they are the most important slide about yoga. And one thing that I want to tell you that World Yoga Day is celebrated on 21 June. And yoga is something which is practiced by all over the world. We can say that it's an international brand. And yoga originates from India. It was firstly practiced by Patanjali in 2700 BC. So it's all about yoga, and thanks, that's all.
So the Shivam Kumar is also speaking better, and he is one of the most genius boy of the class. So the next candidate I would like to call Shruti Kumari.
Firstly, a hearty good morning to all of you. I am Shruti Kumari, inhabitant of Dulin Bazaar, Patna. As far as my education qualification is concerned, and I am doing in standard 10 from BR Group Genius Campus. Today is our video class. Now I would like to tell something about road safety. Road safety is necessary for all living beings. You all are thinking why I tell road safety is important for all living things, because only human beings can drive and uses bus, cars, trucks, and skating, because we know that animals also crosses the road, but they have no sense to recognize the traffic lights. So there are many accident also causes to animals. The, there are 3 lights in traffic. We also have to follow them. It is red, yellow, green. We all know that what they indicates. In past time, we know that there is no any uses of vehicles, cars, vehicles. Then there is no any causes of accidents on roads. Thousands of people are dying in one day. Due to road accident. Road accident is very harmful. It is not only causes to animals and humans. It is causes to all living beings. So we have to improve the road safety. We also have to follow the traffic rules. We also have to wear the helmets. We also have to wear in driving helmets, hand gloves. In car we also have to take safety. There is no any advantage of road safety, but there are many disadvantages of road safety. I tell you, thousands of people are dying. It because of this. There is decreasing in population, but it is good for environment. According to my conclusion, we always have to wear safety in using of cars and any bicycles. Thanks.
So she is also speaking well, and the next candidate I would like to call Sujit Kumar.
Hey guys, this is Sujit Kumar. Today is video recording class and I want to talk about child labor. Child labor is a thing. There are so many children do work in a factory, hotel, tea stall. Also, you all are also see that whenever we go and see 1 to 2, 3 and 4 children also do work. And when a child want to love and care, but he do hard work, so and he do not focus in him study, and the child do not focus him study. Child labor in their money, but he lose our waste of our time. But some children need to do child work, and that's the reason some people take a profit. He gives some money and take hard work from children. So I think child labor is bad, but short videos make also bad, because nowadays all the children also make a short video, and he also waste him time and do not focus in him study. And you all know about Kis Had Tak, which he make a video. So I think child labor is bad, but short video is also bad to stop the things. Thank you.
So the Sujit Kumar is also speaking well. So the next candidate I would like to call Susmita Kumari.
I am Susmita Pandey. I belong to BR group of Genius Campus. Today is video classes. My topic is English language. English language is a global language, very important in our country. English language is called mother language. Very important in English language. Most people can be used English language, and most people not using English language. Different type of language and different country used. country use most people in English used. English language is the one language which connect all people. Thank you.
So Susmita Kumari is also speaking well, but he want to say something about something about this. So that today's video recording class get end. So subscribe our channel. We are Group Genius Campus. So we meet again in next video. Thanks all that.